In this short tutorial, I will show you how to find hidden text messages on your iPhone. Sometimes, you may have messages that are hidden from view but still exist on your device. To uncover these hidden messages, follow these simple steps. To get started, open up the Settings app on your iPhone and then scroll down until you see Messages. Tap on it. Then scroll down again, and you'll see an option called Filter Unknown Senders. Toggle on this switch to enable it. Once you've done that, exit the Settings app and open up the Messages app on your device. Then tap Filters at the top left corner. And then tap Unknown Senders. Now you'll be able to see all the hidden text messages on your iPhone, if you have any. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.